What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna learn how to use the number counter animation into your Elementor WordPress plugin for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics not just internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is make sure that you have the Elementor WordPress plugin installed on your site. We're gonna keep it all for free, so all you have to do is move to WP Dashboard, Plugins, Add New, search for Elementor, click on Install and Activate. Keep it for free, no need for Pro, okay? After this, you can locate one of your pages where you would like to apply this number counter. For example, I'm gonna be adding this into my home page. So all I have to do is click into this button right here, Edit with Elementor. Or if you can, or prefer, you can move to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over pages and click on Add New in order to create a new page, okay? You're gonna be into a section almost like this one right here, okay? And into this section, we're gonna be able to enter our counter element, but I would add into the end section. I'm gonna click into this plus button and I'm gonna choose a layout with 3 columns, okay? Just like this, you can see 3 plus buttons. I'm gonna click into this very first plus button right here, and into the left sidebar of widgets, I'm gonna scroll down just a little bit until I can find the counter element, the counter widget. And here is this one with the numbers and this arrow. I'm gonna click on it, hold my finger into the mouse button, drag the element and drop into the very first column of the tree we did created. And here is our number counter. What we can do from there? We can change the starting number and the ending number. For example, 1000, for example. What else we can do? We can change a prefix. We can, for example, start at 1, so 11,000s, or remove the prefix, or change the suffix, okay? The ending word, for example, to adding a plus. For example, we can change the animation duration. Imagine that we have milliseconds right here, so 2 seconds we have right here. If I turn to 3 seconds, we can remove this separator in the case that you prefer. It's up to you. We can change the separator for a dot, sequence, just like this if you prefer. It's up to you. And we can change the title. I'm gonna keep it counter number, but we can change the title in the way that you want, okay? What else we can do? We can move to the style tab, and from here we can change the text color. We can change the typography, changing the font, the size, and other parts. We can change the text stroke and the text shadow. And we can do exactly the same with the title. So the cool numbers title can be changed in the color, the typography, the stroke, and the shadow. After creating the layout that you want, you can simply click with the right button of your mouse over this counter number and copy. After this, go to the second column and paste. Do the same into the third column, paste. Now all you have to do is changing the numbers. For example, 900s, 800s, and thus you're gonna be able to have all your counters. After this, we're gonna need to click into this section right here, go to the advanced tab and apply some top margin, okay? So let me just change a little bit of margin right here. I think this is good enough. Now it's perfect. And we have our counters, numbers already working and placed into our page in a very simple way. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. It's absolutely free and easy to install. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of the best free WordPress theme on the planet, just go to Enzu WordPress theme, click on install and activate it. You're gonna be amazed about how many features this theme offers for free, even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In the case that you run a blog into WordPress or any other platform and would like to submit your site to receive guest posts, to publish guest posts, or just to connect with a growing blogging community, just go to growth.net, submit your site. It's free, you're gonna be listed right here. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, in order to unlock full access to our templates library of pre-built websites, premium icons, assets, widgets, templates, blocks, and many more tools, including our support doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and go premium. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!